Okra, also known as Abelmoschus esculentus, has a long history of cultivation and use that spans many cultures and regions around the world. Native to Africa, it was introduced to the Americas by enslaved Africans in the 17th century and quickly spread to other parts of the world. Its uses were recognized early in African and Asian cultures, where it was valued for its versatility in cooking, medicinal properties, and agricultural benefits. In fact, okra has been a staple in many African and Caribbean diets, with its tender pods added to stews, soups, and salads, offering both flavor and nutrition. Over time, okra's potential was recognized globally, and it became an integral part of dishes like gumbo in the southern United States and bhindi masala in India. The discovery of okra as a plant with not only culinary value but also medicinal benefits began to gain attention during the 18th and 19th centuries. Researchers found that okra is rich in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, which led to its use in treating various health conditions. It was noted for its ability to aid digestion, regulate blood sugar levels, and support heart health. Okra's high content of soluble fiber, specifically pectin, is said to improve gastrointestinal function and has been used as a natural remedy for constipation and digestive disorders. In addition to its digestive benefits, studies have shown that the antioxidants found in okra, including flavonoids and polyphenols, help reduce inflammation and protect cells from oxidative stress, potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. Another key aspect of okra's discovery and widespread use lies in its adaptability to diverse climates and soil conditions. Researchers and agriculturalists have found that okra thrives in hot, tropical climates, making it an ideal crop in regions that experience high temperatures and dry conditions. Its hardy nature allows it to survive with minimal water, making it an important crop in areas affected by drought. This resilience has made okra particularly valuable in many developing countries, where food security is a major concern. It grows quickly, with a short growing season of around 60 to 90 days, and produces an abundant harvest of pods, making it a reliable and efficient crop for small-scale farmers. Furthermore, the plant has gained attention for its ability to improve soil health, as its deep roots help break up compacted soil, and its leaves can be used as mulch to prevent erosion. The industrial uses of okra have also expanded significantly over the years. Beyond food and medicine, okra's fibers, seeds, and mucilage, the gelatinous substance in its pods, have found a range of applications in various industries. The mucilage, known for its sticky and thickening properties, is used in food products as a natural stabilizer, emulsifier, and thickening agent. It is particularly valued in the production of jams, sauces, and soups. In addition, the seeds of okra are rich in oil, which has been explored for use in cosmetic products, as well as in biodiesel production. The oil is also high in unsaturated fatty acids, making it a healthy option for use in cooking. Okra's fibers are used in textiles, paper, and even as biodegradable packaging material, offering a sustainable alternative to plastic. In recent years, the growing awareness of environmental sustainability and health-conscious lifestyles has further enhanced okra's role in agriculture and nutrition. With its nutritional value, minimal environmental footprint, and numerous potential uses, okra has become an increasingly popular crop in both developed and developing countries. Efforts to promote its cultivation, particularly in areas facing food insecurity or environmental stress, have led to increased research into its genetic improvement. Scientists have focused on breeding more drought-resistant, higher-yielding varieties, aiming to enhance its contribution to global food security. As the world continues to face challenges related to climate change, food scarcity, and health, the versatile and resilient okra is proving to be an indispensable plant, offering both practical solutions and a healthy, sustainable source of nutrition.